Hello, my name is Maxim Kafka and this is a quick video overview of my Excel VBA project. Here I'll be working with this CSV data file supplied by the client's online training services provider. Bear in mind as you watch this, everything you're about to see has been fully automated and can be achieved with just 3 clicks of a mouse button. So the first requirement was to take this data and reorganize it in a way that makes it a little bit easier on the eye, and that's exactly what I've done here. I've put available courses into columns, listed personnel into rows, and filled the table up with dates. Dates highlighted in green are the courses that have been completed and expire more than a month from now. Yellow are completed courses that expire less than a month from now. Red for courses that have expired. Blue for courses that were enrolled on and have been started. And grey for courses enrolled on but not yet started. The next requirement was to summarize this data, displaying only the courses that have expired, are expiring, or are in the process of being completed. This was a fairly easy step to achieve. I simply took the previous report and removed all the rows and columns that didn't have a problem. Next up, I was to produce a dashboard that provided a bird's eye view of the training situation across the whole establishment, and voila! Here we have training completion percentages overall as well as per department, 3 months forecast of courses that are about to expire, and they had a section that includes company branding as well as user interface, which segues us nicely into the creme de la creme of this presentation. How do you go from this to all of that? Well, as mentioned earlier, with just the 3 easy clicks. Job done. But wait, what is this, do I hear you ask? Tell us about this tantalizing generate email button right here. As a bonus feature, I've automated a little bit of the staff notification process. Click it and in a blink of an eye, you have an Outlook email ready to go, with all of the staff who have outstanding training requirements copied in, as well as a copy of outstanding training requirements worksheet generated and attached to the message. And that concludes my presentation. If you would like your administration to be less repetitive and time consuming whilst being more enjoyable and aesthetically pleasing experience, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.